Hello folks, I'd like to show you here my trash picked Craftsman snowblower. This is a 5 horsepower. It's a small 22-inch bucket, 9-inch impeller. I've never really seen anything quite this scale before. It's a very compact machine, and I picked it up. It wasn't working. The chute had a crack in it here. This was broken. But I was able to, that was the only actual piece that I invested in repairing this unit. Typically, which seems to be one of the reasons why I always find these old Craftsman 5 horsepower motors in here, was the carburetor was all gummed up. So I'd replace this little plastic knob here. It's more for aesthetic component and decoration more than anything else. You can pull it off, it still functions with the choke, but nonetheless, it's working pretty good. And so this is an example of one of these typical carburetors from these systems here. And the float bowls here get all gummed up. And I just a little blast of some gum out or suitable cleaning fluid will do the trick. The only other real thing is this little this knob is broken, but there's enough to grab onto it. It actually has an electric start as well. I haven't tried it out yet. You can see there's the plug here. And we have about, let's see, it's actively snowing out here right now, probably about a foot of snow, so we'll give it a whirl. It has 6 speeds. There are 6 forward, 2 reverse. This engages the drive. And this engages the augers. And what I'm going to do is attempt a cold start on this. Nice and cold. Let's see. So let's see what we have here. So choker. Give her a bit of throttle. Prime the bulb a few times. Reach over and give it a yank. And we'll see what happens.